Duplicating and extending your screen in Windows 10 is fantastically easy. Most of the programs are easy to find just by come down here and typing this in, and Windows has done a great job. I'm going to come down here and just type in duplicate, and I'm going to click the duplicate right here. And then right down here, usually highlights it blue. See how it says extend? I'm going to just click on that. I'm going to say duplicate screens. And then say keep changes. And then if you are currently duplicated and want to extend it from one screen to another, just type in extend. Come back up to duplicate extend. And then right down here, you're going to click extend. That's all there is to it after you click keep changes.